Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by opening Chrome and going straight to Settings. Click the three dots at the top right. Once there, choose Accessibility. This is where Live Caption lives. You do this first because disabling captions from within Accessibility ensures system-level override. Make sure Chrome is updated to a recent version. If not, update now. Once in Accessibility, locate the Live Caption toggle so you can turn it off in the next step. Now find the Live Caption toggle and flip it off. Do it deliberately. This stops caption generation for videos and audio in all open tabs. Once done, captions usually disappear instantly, but make sure to reload any media pages. You should also check per site settings if captions persist. Sometimes extensions or site-specific players override browser controls. If you use a Chromebook, the toggle is in the same place, so the step is identical. Finally, confirm captions are gone by reloading media pages. If they persist, restart Chrome, simple but effective. If that still fails, disable any caption or transcription extensions, because extensions can override the browser toggle. Make sure OS-level accessibility captions are off too, since system services can supply captions independent of Chrome. If nothing works, clear Chrome cache or update Chrome, then try again. One tip:
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.